Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, they were doing a little recipe, making some sunflower shoot casserole. I've been growing a lot of sunflower shoots on my balcony, and I needed to come up with some more ways to cook with them. So today we're throwing together something that I cook in every day. I have lunch, and usually I put something in my Tramontina omelet pan and put the lid on and cook it on real low heat for a long time, and then everything turns out good. So today we're putting in a bunch of vegetables, putting in the carrots and the celery. They go in the bottom because the carrots, if you're under heat for a long time, they don't lose a lot of nutrients. Same thing with the celery, I think. Also, surprise, we're adding some tortellini because the vegetables are going to have liquid that's going to come out, and those tortellini are going to absorb all the liquid. So you don't have to boil it in water. Just put it in your pan, cook it for a long time. And I've got the carrots cooked or sliced in different sections because we're going to try to make this dish look kind of attractive. So we're going to make the carrots work for us now. I've got the chopped up sunflower shoots are ready to go. Those, like I said, have been growing so easy on the balcony. One of the easiest plants I've ever grown for food. And I've also got some soy sausage. This is basically a vegetarian dish, except we're going to be adding some eggs, or an egg, and some cheese at the end. So I'm going to be adding a lot of spices. You don't have to add a lot of spices. This is whatever I have on handy I happen to like. But I do love Italian seasoning. Going to be adding some onion powder because I'm all out of regular onions. Shame on me. And going to be adding, I think, some garlic powder. Not too much. It makes it a little bitter because you're going to be cooking for a long time. I find when you cook garlic for a long time, it's not a good thing. Now, you want to spread everything out and get it all over all the vegetables. And you can never add too much parsley flakes or fresh parsley if you got it. And I like a little pepper. And that's pretty much for the dried herbs and spices. We're going to be adding some diced, I've got canned potato. I don't know if I spelled that right. Funny thing is, I know how to spell Dan Quayle, but I can't spell potato. It's a mental block. Um, Now, I have to add salad olives in just about every meal. I don't know why, I like them so much. And toward the end, we're going to be adding a couple ingredients I didn't photograph. This is the Italian dressing, but I didn't photograph adding the egg and the cheese and the mushrooms. That's going to go in the very end, and the broccoli, and the kitchen sink, and the doorknob. And just, I like a lot of flavors. I like a lot of different textures and colors, and it's not that expensive. There's the Italian sausage. That's soy sausage. That's Tofurky brand. Actually, it's very tasty. I'm a convert to soy sausage for the Italian sausage. That's got a very nice flavor, and it's pretty close to meat flavor and texture. Now, also not too expensive either. You can get them on sale sometimes for $3 for a pack of four. Now, when you're done here, you want to have a really tight lid, and all that liquid's going to come out and be absorbed by the tortellini. And when tortellini are done, then you can add the egg and the cheese and the mushroom. And I added the broccoli at the end just for color. You don't have to add the broccoli, but I wanted something to go with the ketchup. uh, or salsa. I have to keep remembering I live in the 21st century. Everyone's using salsa now instead of ketchup, but I still use ketchup. What can I tell you? So, like I said, you got to have a tight lid because you're also very very low heat, and I mean low, like number two or three on your radio dial. Just really low. uh, and when tortellini are done, you want to add the egg and the ketchup and the mushroom. A little 4 or 6 ounce can of mushrooms, really great. And you're done, guys. So hope this is something you find tasty and you give it a try. And I have a recipe playlist of a ton of different videos on things I cook up now and then. So I hope you all come back, put new videos every single week. Been doing it for 14 years, almost got 1,100 videos. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.